How to fix earphones or headphones that work for music but not for calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot microphone issues with your earphones during calls. First, make sure your earphone jack is fully plugged in and clean the port gently to remove any dust or debris. After that, go to your home screen and long press on your phone app, then tap on the Info or I button. From there, tap on Permissions and make sure the microphone permission is set to allow. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. In the next step, go to your Android settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Following this, look for any audio or call settings and make sure the audio output is not set to speaker only during calls. Once done, try a different pair of earphones to rule out whether the issue is with the earphones themselves. Finally, restart your device and make a test call with your earphones plugged in. The microphone should now work properly during calls. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your earphone mic issue during calls, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.